Every woman who is pregnant likes to have a glowing skin and fabulous hair during her pregnancy also. आजकल मेरे पास ऐसी बहुत सी क्वेरीज आती हैं जिसमें प्रेग्नेंट लेडीज ये पूछना चाहती हैं कि हम क्या क्या स्किन ट्रीटमेंट करा सकते हैं, कौन कौन से कॉस्मेटिक यूज करना प्रेगनेंसी में सेफ है और कौन कौन से हेयर ट्रीटमेंट लेना अलाउड है प्रेगनेंसी में। तो मैंने ये वीडियो आज स्पेशली उन्हीं क्वेरीज को आंसर देने के लिए बनाया है एंड आई होप you get to know the reason about all these hair skin problems in pregnancy, and I hope it solves all your queries. So let's start one by one. सबसे कॉमन जो क्वेरी मेरे पास आती है वो है डार्क स्पॉट्स की। प्रेगनेंसी में डार्क स्पॉट्स होना बहुत कॉमन है। डार्क स्पॉट्स यूजुअली फेस पे होते हैं, साथ के साथ एब्डोमेन पे, चेस्ट पे, नेक पे भी हो सकते हैं। फेस पे डार्क स्पॉट्स होते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड मेलाज्मा, एंड एब्डोमेन पे देयर इज अ स्ट्रेट लाइन, डार्क लाइन running from umbilicus from navel to your pubic hair, that is called linea nigra. Usually in dark spots का reason होता है excessive production of melanin in pregnancy, and this is due to the hormone in pregnancy, that is progesterone. So इनका reason आपको समझ में आ गया। इनका प्लस पॉइंट ये है कि ये जो डार्क स्पॉट्स हैं ये रिवर्सिबल हैं, यानी कि ये टेम्पररी हैं। आपकी डिलीवरी के बाद 3-4 महीने के बाद जैसे ही आपके बॉडी के हार्मोन लेवल्स नॉर्मल आते हैं, ये डार्क स्पॉट्स डिसअपीयर भी हो जाते हैं ऑलमोस्ट 90% तक। फिर भी कुछ पेशेंट्स मुझसे पूछती हैं कि इनकी ट्रीटमेंट के लिए हम क्या करें। इनके ट्रीटमेंट के लिए जो भी क्रीम्स आती हैं वो आप ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी नहीं यूज कर सकते। आफ्टर डिलीवरी आप उनको सेफली यूज कर सकते हैं एंड यू कैन गेट टू नो मोर अबाउट दोज क्रीम्स फ्रॉम योर डॉक्टर। Secondly, there are queries about increased acne or increased pimples in pregnancy. Pregnancy के दौरान हमारे sebaceous glands ज़्यादा active हो जाते हैं and most patients get increase in a number of acne on their face, on the neck or the chest and the back area and the shoulders area and in the scalp also. So as you know that this is because of excessive production of sebaceous glands in the body. So most important thing to do is to avoid excessive oily products, cosmetic products on your skin, and to avoid extra oil or extra ghee in your diet. Secondly, there are some anti-pimple creams which are safe to use in pregnancy. For example, clindamycin cream, which is an antibiotic, and there is a cream which has benzoyl peroxide which you can use. But strictly you should avoid the creams which contain isotretinoins and retinol derivatives which have the potential to harm your baby. So do not use all the over-counter creams for the pimples. You can ask your doctor about which creams to use and which you should avoid. Now third question which the patients ask is, doctor, can I get beauty treatment or salon treatments during my pregnancy? Are they safe? For example, they ask me about facial and manicure, pedicure, waxing, bleaching. Well, yes, all these treatments are safe during pregnancy. You can get them done, but always do an allergy testing, patch testing before, and try to use those treatments only which you have already used before. आपने जिन ट्रीटमेंट्स को पहले भी ले रखा है और जिनसे आपकी स्किन में कोई रिएक्शन नहीं होता, कोई एलर्जी नहीं होती, आप वो सारे ट्रीटमेंट्स ले सकती हैं। आप जो फेशियल पसंद करती हैं वो ले सकती हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू योर स्किन टाइप। साथ के साथ मैनिक्योर, पेडिक्योर, वैक्सिंग एंड ब्लीचिंग आर सेफ। देन द पेशेंट्स आस्क मी व्हिच मेकअप आई कैन यूज ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी. Well, usually the makeup products are safe to use in pregnancy. If you like to use blushers or foundations or eyeliners, mascaras, BB creams or CC creams, they are safe to use in pregnancy provided you have used them before, and do not try a new product in your pregnancy which may cause an allergic reaction, and try to always use good quality products. Then the patients ask me about hair. A lot of patients, if they have to attend a function, they want to go to a marriage function and they want to attend a party and they want to get some hair treatment done. So which hair treatment is safe in pregnancy? Hair spa is usually safe in pregnancy. You can take that. You can get hair color done, but try to use non-ammonia, means ammonia free color in pregnancy, and the color which suits you. Do not try any new or rash product. So hair color is safe, but do not use ammonia colors. Then avoid getting keratin treatment or rebonding treatment or hair smoothing, straightening, which may use some harsh chemicals which may seep in through your skin and may harm the baby. Then the patients ask me whether to take any tattoo in pregnancy? Well, we should strictly avoid getting any tattoos in pregnancy because tattoos use needles and ink which may or may not cause infection, but better to avoid during pregnancy. Some very common things which is called stretch marks. स्ट्रेच मार्क्स को लेके बहुत से पेशेंट्स की क्वेरी रहती है कि हम इनको प्रिवेंट करने के लिए अपनी स्किन को स्मूथ रखने के लिए क्या बायो ऑयल यूज करें, या फिर देयर आर मेनी स्ट्रेच मार्क प्रिवेंशन क्रीम्स अवेलेबल इन द मार्केट which are marketed very much and patients want to use them. Well, I'll tell you, the stretch marks are not totally preventable. Almost 90% of the females get stretch marks in pregnancy. This is a mark of pregnancy. This can be a mark of healthy pregnancy also. And there are only few lucky ladies who are lucky enough to not get stretch marks till now in their pregnancy. Stretch marks happen because of the stretching of skin on your abdomen and because of excessive stretching. When your skin fibers break, the skin has collagen and elastin fibers inside that. When they break, that is the reason for stretch marks. Stretch marks initially start as pink and red color marks and they later on turn to dark brown also. But the good thing is that after delivery, when your tummy size returns to normal and your skin stretches back to normal, then these stretch marks almost fade. They convert into skin color and they merge with the surrounding skin, so almost giving them a whitish or creamish color. Only one thing you can keep in your mind is that moisturize your skin very nicely because dry skin causes itchiness, and if you itch your skin a lot, then you can scratch your skin. That may even cause scratch marks and some amount of bleeding from the skin, which is harmful for you. So try to moisturize your skin regularly with a good moisturizer. Maybe you use some oil or use some massage cream, and with using your own hands you have to apply that massage cream on your abdomen or on your chest, breast area or your thighs area, upper arms, wherever you are feeling itching or dryness. So friends, stretch marks are not totally preventable, but stretch marks is not a thing to hide. It is a mark of pregnancy, and I usually tell my patients to accept them as a mark of motherhood. Thank you.